Starting a scholarship in Axie Infinity is a great way to earn passive income and help new players get started with the game. To begin, you need to understand the basics of Axie Infinity and its scholarship program. Axie Infinity is a blockchain-based game where players can collect, breed, and battle creatures known as Axies. The scholarship program allows experienced players to lend their Axies to new players, known as scholars, in exchange for a percentage of their earnings. The first step to starting a scholarship is to build a strong team of Axies. You will need a minimum of 3 Axies to start a scholarship, but it is recommended to have at least 6 to ensure a steady stream of income. You can purchase Axies from the Axie Infinity marketplace or breed them yourself. Once you have a strong team of Axies, you need to find reliable scholars. You can find scholars through online communities, social media, or by reaching out to friends and family. It is essential to vet your scholars to ensure they are trustworthy and will take good care of your Axies. The next step is to create a contract with your scholars. This contract should outline the terms of the scholarship, including the percentage of earnings the scholar will receive, the duration of the scholarship, and the expectations for the scholar's performance. A typical contract splits the earnings 50-50 between the manager and the scholar. After creating the contract, you need to set up a system for tracking your scholar's progress and earnings. You can use a spreadsheet to track your scholar's daily progress, including their wins, losses, and earnings. This will help you identify areas for improvement and make adjustments to your scholarship program as needed. Finally, it is crucial to communicate regularly with your scholars to ensure they are meeting their obligations and to provide guidance and support when needed. You can use online communication tools, such as Discord or Telegram, to stay in touch with your scholars and provide updates on the scholarship program. By following these steps and being committed to your scholarship program, you can earn passive income and help new players get started with Axie Infinity. Remember to always prioritize transparency, communication, and fairness in your scholarship program to ensure its success.